Hi, it's time to talk about the subscription plans for Edouard 2.0. Edouard 2.0 is fully cloud-based, and as such, that means your server is hosted, maintained, and updated by Flying Pig. To access this service, we offer different subscription plans, which I am going to explain in details now. First of all of our subscriptions are made through the in-app purchase system of the App Store. This means we never have access to your credit card information, and you keep full control over when to start and when to stop it. Speaking of stopping it, our subscriptions do not require any commitment. When you subscribe to Edouard, you simply pay for the next month of service. At the end of that month, your subscription will be auto-renewed, so you don't have to worry about paying manually every month. But you can stop it at any time. Another great advantage of the in-app purchase system is that the prices of our subscriptions are tiered and in your local currency. You won't have to pay bank fees for a foreign currency purchase. Second, our plans are tailored around the number of slots you will need. Slots are active connections or sessions on your server instance. Unlike most of our competitors, we use this metric instead of the most common one of the user account because we understand that a licensing policy should not affect how you work. You will enjoy this particularly if you have part-time workers or contractors, as this will allow you to create an account per person without the need of increasing the size of your subscription. The plans are for 1, 5, 10, 20, and 50 slots. Of course, the more slots you choose, the more saving you make on the price per slot. All our paid plans offer a dedicated cloud server instance with full support, maintenance, backup, and all upcoming software updates. Flying Pig is more than a business. It's an ideology. We empower small businesses around the world by bringing them tools that were reserved to big companies because of their complexity or their price tag. This is precisely why we brought back the free slot we offered with the Edouard in-house server to Edouard 2.0. This free subscription plan is for a single slot on a shared server. Your data is secured and yours only, but you share computing power and networking resources. These subscriptions also come with full maintenance, backup, and upcoming software updates, but we will prioritize support requests from paid customers. At registration, you will see the free option on the top of the subscription plan list, if free slots are available. If not, that means we're working on setting up new free slot servers. These instances are a little different than paid instances, so please consider that it can take some time to get them up and running. Third, the subscription process. So how does it work precisely? Well, it's quite simple. Edouard apps are free to download, so you can simply have all of your associates download the app they need. Only one person in your organization will need to be the subscriber with his or her Apple ID. When this person logs into your instance, the purchases information will be synchronized and associated with your instance. Simply make sure all your associates log into your instance using the company domain provided along with their personal credentials. If that subscriber leaves the company, there is nothing to worry about. Simply start a new subscription with another subscriber without registering and continue logging into your existing instance. Finally, I want to cover a few important points. All expired subscriptions instances will be automatically recycled by our system after 60 days. All free subscriptions instances with no activity after 60 days will be automatically recycled as well. The location of your instance is very important for performances, but if you choose one that you're not happy with, we can migrate your instance to another location. This intervention is free, but needs to be scheduled and a downtime is necessary. If you started your experience with Edouard on a free instance and grew out of what it can offer, we can definitely migrate your data to a paid instance. This intervention is free too and will need to be scheduled, but with a downtime as well. When software updates come, you will receive an email notifying you about the potential downtime. We will make sure these are as quick as possible and outside of your work hours. We will use the information you provided during registration to determine which is your time zone so we can know when the night time is so we can do these interventions. You can upgrade and downgrade your subscription at any time from Edouard in the Manage Subscription menu or from the App Store directly. The bigger plans get with bigger resources, which in return means more responsiveness. My last point is regarding mobile apps, which we will cover in another video in detail. They are all free, but each will use one slot while in use. Check out our pricing page on edwardapp.com to find all these informations and more. That's it for this one. Make sure to follow us on your favorite social media. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our videos or to contact us from our website, edwardapp.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.